In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix error code drowned in Minecraft Android. So let's get started. Now we're gonna look at various solutions so you can go ahead and try all of them out to see which one works out. The first one we have is check server status. Check server status. So ensure the server you're trying to connect to is online and functioning properly. Contact the server administrator if you have any doubts. The next one is network connectivity issues. So connectivity issues. So verify your internet connection is stable and strong. Try connecting to a different network if possible. You could also try restarting your router or modem. The next one is game file corruption. Game file corruption. So if use the game's built-in verification tool to check for corrupted files. If verification doesn't resolve this, try reinstalling Minecraft. The next one is device compatibility issues. So compatibility issues. So ensure your Android device meets the minimum system requirements for Minecraft. Update your device's operating system and game launcher to the latest version. The next one is third-party mods or add-ons. Third-party mods or add-ons. So temporarily disable any mods or add-ons you're using to see if they're causing the error. Update mods and add-ons if they're outdated. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.